Why less is more? How many items do you currently have on your Amazon wish list? When was the last time you bought something you didn't really need and then felt guilty about spending the money? Too many of us are under the impression that we need more to be happy. More money, more clothes, and more stuff. The reality, though, is that less is often more, and that learning to let go of your attachment to material possessions can actually make you a lot happier. In this presentation, we're going to address why less is more and what that actually means. When it comes to decorating a room, the objective is often for us to fill it with things we love, as a way to express who we are, and to make our room more familiar and more comfortable. At the same time, cool features impress friends, and they make our life that little bit easier. But do they? I want you to take a look around the room you're in right now, and imagine getting rid of half of the ornaments you have on display. What would the room look like then? In all likelihood, it would look bigger because it would have less clutter in it. At the same time, you would also find that the items that were left would draw more attention to themselves. You'd find that you could appreciate each item more, and the average quality of each item would be much higher, seeing as it wouldn't be lost among the things you were less excited by, that you would get rid of. Best of all, cleaning would now take a fraction of the time, and you'd find the room looked much tidier a lot more of the time. You'd spend less time dusting and more time feeling relaxed in a tidy, organized room filled with a few beautiful items. This all just goes to show that in terms of interior design, less truly is more. But it goes beyond that, too. Less can also be more when it comes to design in other areas. In graphic design, there is a maxim that says, communicate, don't decorate. That is to say that if something doesn't have a specific purpose, then it is surplus to requirement. Clear, concise communication is only achieved by removing the unnecessary trimmings. And if a minimalist approach can do all that, imagine what it can do when applied to your own lifestyle. Less truly is more, and as soon as you realize that, life becomes much easier to enjoy.